They say hindsight's 20/20. You know that ain't always quite the case. When you had the chance to think about it plenty, and you still squint to see the daylight from the day.
Aqui é igual aquele filme, Desafio do Azul. O cara que...
Does it look a little south of what you planned on? Does everything looks north from where I've been? You don't have to be as tough as you act with me. You don't have to try to understand. And they're cleaning up the bars down on the road. The tourists have gone back from where they came. And you could be anywhere, but you're standing right in Nashville, Tennessee at 3 a.m. Could just wander back to Sublet County, and they got nobody waiting for me there.
Moonlight is shining low in the valley, makes a man damn near forget his sin. It's a winter sky creep up upon me. I close my eyes and I waltz with the wind. I ain't much for dancing, ain't the two-stepping kind. Just waltzing in the darkness seems to suit me fine. Just step outdoors, put a record on, waltz around the yard until the morning dawn. There's a million stars, they're all shining bright. Gonna take a lot more for to save my soul tonight. Oh, there's too many, I won't bother to count. I'm stuck in my head crying, Lord, let me out. It don't take much, but your dancing shoes in a mighty bad case of the low down and worried blues. Oh, you try, ain't never gonna win. The Lord only knows you won't step on toes when you're waltzing with the wind. Lord only knows you won't step on toes when you're waltzing with the wind. My soul tonight. Oh, there's too many, I won't bother to count. I'm stuck in my head crying, Lord, let me out. It don't take much, but you're dancing shoes in a mighty bad case of the low down and worried blues. Oh, you try, ain't never gonna win. The Lord only knows you won't step on toes